But we think that that was an oversight. They glossed over issues of how Kampala is structured. Apart from the central business district, Kampala, Bombo Road, and so on, that is where you would think that drug shops cannot operate. That is where you would think that the well-to-do people, white-collar people, are concentrated. But the majority of the people in Kampala live in the rural Kampala. Kampala generally has a central business district, which you would call the city. But the outskirts of Kampala are indeed villages. They are indeed rural, with very poor people who cannot even afford to travel to Kampala in a pharmacy and buy any kind of medicine, even Panadol.
Reason being, if they phase out these drug shops, societies like Kasokoso, Kamocha, far deep there, you'll find that these communities, you cannot put a pharmacy there. Reason, if you put a pharmacy there, it will become too expensive for you to operate a pharmacy. Let them leave these drug shops to operate in the slum areas, as well as pharmacies operating where? In the central business of Kampala. For us, we have a society of private medical practitioners. We have the capability every month to reach in our respective places far deep there to see that the standards are kept such that there is no room for any professional, medical practitioner profession to do what? To continue to engage in other malpractices when we are available. Because for us, we're on the ground.
It takes one to have a good building where you can set, such that you're given a certificate of suitability of premises before you even acquire a certificate of operating. Two, as you're acquiring a certificate to operate a pharmacy, whether retail or wholesale, you're supposed to have a pharmacist covering that pharmacy. The salary of a pharmacist just covering a facility like a pharmacy is over 2 million shillings per month. And when you look at that cost of operation minus other costs, including the taxes collected by the government agencies, plus me as the operator or the proprietor of the business, I will have to remain with some profits. Therefore, if you collect all of those costs together and you put them on the product that you are producing, you will have to sell, for example, a drug like Panadol, paracetamol, I will have to put it at a high cost such that all those costs of operation are catered for.